If you're a homeowner thinking about selling in the next year or two, there's something important you should know. The 2026 housing market is not shaping up to be a speed market. It's shaping up to be a precision market. That means sellers who prepare intelligently will quietly win, and sellers who just list and hope will quietly leave money on the table. I'm Mark Powell with Osborne Home Group and eXp Realty, and today we're going to walk through what actually matters in the next market cycle and how to position your home so it attracts strong buyers, strong offers, and strong terms without unnecessary stress. Let's talk about what's changing. A big shift is already happening in buyer behavior. Buyers are no longer desperate. They're careful. They're analytical. They're comparing more than ever. They're looking at school zones, commute reliability, neighborhood stability, floor plans, long-term livability, and they're thinking about how this decision fits into the next 10-15 years of their life, which means homes don't win on excitement anymore. They win on confidence, and confidence comes from clarity. That's where the first strategy comes in. The first strategy is positioning, not pricing. Most sellers think price is the decision, but in 2026, perceived value will matter more than raw price. Two identical homes can have radically different outcomes based on how confident a buyer feels walking through the door. Confidence comes from clean presentation, clear disclosures, pre-inspection strategies, simple repair transparency, a feeling that this home has been cared for. Buyers pay more for certainty, not square footage, certainty. The second strategy is protecting your timeline. Most families selling in this age group are juggling school calendars, work routines, child schedules, and daily life logistics, which means the cost of a delayed sale is not just financial, it's emotional and logistical. In 2026, homes that launch clean and confidently will sell faster and with stronger terms. Homes that test the market will often sit, attract lower confidence buyers, and slowly lose negotiating leverage. Your timeline is leverage. The cleaner your launch, the stronger your outcome. The third strategy is strategic concessions, not price drops. In slower but healthy markets, buyers respond better to structured incentives than raw discounts. Closing cost credits, rate buydowns, repair allowances, flexible possession. These feel safer to buyers and often net sellers more than price reductions. This is where professional strategy quietly creates tens of thousands of dollars of difference. The fourth strategy is micro-market dominance. Northern Colorado is not one market. School zones, neighborhood reputation, commute routes, new construction competition, choice structures. Your true competition is often only 3 to 7 homes, not the entire MLS. And in 2026, the sellers who understand exactly who their buyer is and what alternatives they're considering will be the ones who quietly win. The fifth strategy is emotional simplicity. The easier your home feels to buy, the more buyers will pay. Clean disclosures, clear repair history, simple timelines, strong communication. Buyers don't want surprises. They want stability, and stability sells. Selling in 2026 will not be about pressure. It will be about preparation, and the families who prepare early will experience smoother timelines, stronger offers, and far less stress. If you're thinking about selling in the next year or two, the smartest thing you can do right now isn't rushing. It's understanding what your home is truly competing against and how buyers will evaluate it. Because in the next market cycle, calm wins, clarity wins, prepared sellers win. And I'll see you in the next video.